Hello, friends. Is anyone home? Yeah? Cola delivery! Oh, here you are. Oh, wow! Thanks!
Someone send you a Coke can.
And I'll make jelly out of cola. Wow, great idea! Good luck!
From this gift, good luck.
La 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 la! I'll make some delicious cookies first. I'll take an egg. And I'm going to add some butter. How good that it has melted and become so soft. Now I'll pour flour here and mix all the ingredients. Look what a cool mixer I have. I'm turning it on to the highest speed. Let's go! Hooray! Done! How fast and convenient it is. I love cooking. It's time to take some more flour and pass it through a sieve, along with the matcha powder. It'll make my cookies very tasty and healthy. Great job! It remains to pour the mixture out of the mixer and mix it so that nothing is scattered. Cooking is a real art. I got such a giant lump of dough. Wow, you can play with it like with plasticine, but I will roll out the dough with my favorite rolling pin. It always helps me out. And cut out cookies with a round mold. 4 pieces have turned out of it, quite enough to treat friends. Now I'll remove the excess dough and put the cookies on paper. What a fragrance! It's time to put them into the oven. Wow, the cookies have doubled! We can get them out. To make my cookies even funnier and tastier, I'll melt the chocolate and dip every little thing in it. Wow, what a beauty! I'll sprinkle it with matcha and voila! Now I'm going to get my Coke. Oh, my favorite smell! To make jelly, you need to pour sugar in there. And of course, some gelatin. This will make it awesome and thick. I light the stove and cook jelly in a saucepan. Pouring it in. You need to stir it with a spoon so that the sugar dissolves faster. When cola starts to boil, take it off the stove and pour it into a bottle. Ta-da! Amazing cola jelly is ready! Everyone to the table! Fly in! I can't wait to find out how it turned out! Wow! How delicious! I'm thrilled! Now I'll try my cookies. Amazing! And together with Coke, it's a dream dinner. You should definitely try it. You'll lick your fingers. Thank you, friends. Put likes and subscribe to the channel to watch more cool videos about food. Join us and cook with me. This is amazing entertainment and it's mega delicious. Write your impressions in the comments. Bon appetit and good mood to everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.